welcome back to our channel, Living Lavishly. We hope you watched our last video at the villa in Jamaica for our daughter's birthday. So we are now headed to the Grand Palladium here in Jamaica as well. So make sure at the end of this video you comment, like, and subscribe. So here we go. Let's take you on this journey. Ready?
Family, we're still in Jamaica.
Hi, we're still in Jamaica,
yeah.
But we're making the best of it, and you can't complain being in Jamaica.
Jamaica, we're still here. So we're at the Grand Palladium Hotel now. We missed our flight yesterday. Well, they canceled our flight.
They canceled. Well, they delayed it, and canceled it. So they gave us the night here, but we don't want to deal with the airport again. So we booked a whole another day here, and so the kids can get playtime and get some good sleep. So we're not going home for a whole other day.
So tomorrow. So stay tuned. We're gonna take y'all around and show you what the
really
resort
nice
is like.
So we're actually excited to show you what it looks like.
Yep. Alright, so today we're at the Grand Palladium Hotel and Resort in Jamaica. It's near Montego Bay. This is the king bed suite. This is a very nice room, spacious room. You have big screen TV over there, king size bed over here. Over here you have your living room area. This couch turns into a pull-out, so if you have any kids, you know, they can be on the pull-out. Over here you have a nice balcony, which leads out into the courtyard. They do have other rooms with other views too. This is the room we have. Over here you have two comfortable chairs. Some pictures on the wall. Here's your desk area if you need to do any type of work or anything while you're here. Over here you have the mini bar, so you have ice up there, ice bucket, you can put your drinks in. You have a fridge that's over here, it has drinks, beer. Over here, your coffee, the coffee maker goes there. I moved the phone, but over here, you have your safe and your closet space. Very nice sized closet. This is an all-inclusive resort, so your mini bar stays stocked too. And then here, you have the bathroom. It's a very nice, spacious bathroom. Over here, you actually have a jacuzzi tub. It's a jacuzzi tub. Nice, spacious bathroom. Mirrors on the wall over there. Over here, you have the toilet room. And over here, you have your shower. Dual shower head shower. It's a nice spacious room for you and the family. Really gets the job done. And again, this is the Grand Palladium in Jamaica, all-inclusive resort. They have many restaurants, a lot of things to do for the kids, so it's perfect. And the weather is amazing, so it's a must-see. Check it out. All right, you guys, so this is the buffet. Come here to get all your eats, all you can eat. So we're at a buffet right now. You ready to eat, Harper? Yeah. So how's the buffet? It's good? What's that in your hand?
Ice cream.
Ice cream for ice cream? Yep.
My turn now.
Your turn now. How's the ice cream?
Good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Are we still in Jamaica?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are we going to the pool?
Yeah, we're going to the pool. I'll tell you guys what happened. Our flight got delayed, so we're still in Jamaica.
Yeah. Stay the extra day. Book me up, please, huh, Harper? All right, see you at the pool.
You at the pool.
All right, so we're at the water park now. They have all types of water slides. They got beach chairs over there. You have the little baby section. Oh, she's going. You know she is.
Wait, hold on, Harper.
She's out of here. She ain't waiting for nobody. Or nothing. All right, Stembler. Yeah. Oh, she's out.
Okay, hey guys. We're about to go onto this green water slide. So let's go. Here we go. And 3, 2, 1, go. Woo!
Here she comes. Let's go. Here we go. Okay, Narpy. Let's go, Narpy. Let's go, Narpy. Yeah, Narpy. That's right, Narpy. Bye, Noemi. Narpy's turn. Big girl. Yeah, Narpy. Big girl. Big girl. Yeah. Here she goes. There she goes. Yeah. Activities for the kids. It makes this.
Ready, sweetie? What are your colors?
What color do you want, Harper?
You want some green? Ready to squeeze? Squeeze!
Good job. There you go, baby. Wow. Oh well. Wow. Okay, that's enough, Harper. Here, do black. Here, do black. Here. Okay. Oh man. Okay, Harper. All right. That's good. Yay.
It's okay, we're used to it.
Do a little more green, Harper. You want blue? You had the Jamaica colors going though. Now you just threw something else in there. There you go. Okay, that's good, Harper. Yay. Oh. Look at your picture. Wow. Now go put it up here, mamas. Good job. Good job. All right, Noemi, your turn. Watch out, Emmy, don't spill it. Yeah. Huh? Oh, yeah. Do a little bit of blue. Yep, do blue. There you go. All right, we're good to go. Let's see it. Wow. Yeah. Go put it on the table. Put it on the table right there, Emmy. On the table. Go get in the pool. What'd he say? Thank you. Live volleyball games going on. Alright, y'all, we're at the beach now. We have a private beach. Go around. You sure?
for sure.
Oh yeah. We got the real jerk chicken from the jerk hut. We on. Alright, so here's a junior game club where teenagers can come play video games, ping pong, air hockey. Got all the games in here. Anybody in here right now? Yep, there it is. They even have a casino. See it? They have all the gambling stuff. Alright, so they got a bunch of shops down here, you guys. It's like a row of shops. So they have a boutique. They have weddings, Palladium. So I'm assuming you could go plan your wedding from there and they help you put everything together. Look at the rain passing through. It's coming down. Crazy thing is, it's gonna stop raining in a second and be sunny. Over here we have another shop, the logo shop. Has all your Jamaican needs. They have a jewelry store. And they have tour center where you can do all your tours. Okay, so we have a Japanese restaurant and a Jamaican restaurant.
Alright, so here's two of the restaurants that they have. We have Jamaican to the left and Japanese to the right. I can't see the names though, so you're gonna have to just figure this out.
It looks
Trivia.
Yep. Remember, all you do is book your reservation and go. It's all inclusive, so everything comes included in the price of your room. They have a couple more restaurants over here. They have a bar down there. So yeah, if we see some more restaurants, I'll take you to it. All right, you guys, so this is the Infinity Bar. The Infinity Bar is outside on the deck and it goes inside as well. It's an amazing view out here. Sun is setting right now, so you can order your drinks. And come out here to the sunset. It overlooks the pool. It's a nice place to unwind. All right, y'all, they have karaoke over here. Karaoke over here from 7 p.m. All right, over here they have two more restaurants. They have Portofino, which I take as Italian food, and they have El Dorado, which gotta be like Mexican food. But yeah, two nice. They have a restaurant over there and one over there. All right, that's cool. All right, so they have this whole screen where you can check out the resort, everything they have to offer. They have a map, food. Ash can't find it. Dinner on the stars. They got everything, y'all.
I feel like you could spend a lifetime here. Did you find the fitness center?
Yeah, it's over there. Oh, it tells you where it's at. Look, we're right here. What did you just look up?
Fitness. It's right there. This is the property?
No, it's not. This is the property. We're right here. Everything main is right here.
Right here.
Yep. All right, let's go. All right, y'all. They have soccer field. They got miniature golf over there. They have basketball courts and tennis courts. That's tennis. Volleyball is outside. They really have everything at this spot. Ash don't want to see me in soccer though. I'll trip her up. All right, you guys, here's a closer look at the basketball court. Tennis over there. The property's so big, they have these trams right here that take you to your room. So you put your stuff on the back of them and they take you. Then you go. It's pretty cool. After they leave though, you gotta walk miles and miles across this place. But it's well worth it. Pretty active down here at night. And over here in the theater, they're playing movies for kids. Right now, they have, is that Mini Lion King? No, I don't know what that is. But they show movies in the theater. All right, you guys, so we're headed to Portofino, Italian food. Guys, let's go see. You ready to eat? Yeah. Woo. We are here at Portofino. About to get our Italian on. They got pizzas, pastas, chicken parmesan, everything. Got the birthday girl still carrying on, going strong. We got the terrorizer over there terrorizing. Harper, what are you doing?
We're eating.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Birthday girl got the pasta popping, huh? Yeah. Got the lasagna going. Harper, what you get, pizza? I see you, girl. Yeah. Some dinner. Live entertainment. We're at the sports bar. Sports bar is up until 6 a.m., y'all. So they have all types of food in here. Sports games going on. They have games over there. You know, everywhere I go, I look for the gym, right? They got a gym, y'all. They got a gym. Looks like a pretty big gym, too. They got a pool over here. Oh, this is actually pretty nice. They got a gym pool. Looks like a little runner pool over there. They got fountains over here. Here's the gym. Let's see what it looks like. How's it going, bro? Oh yeah, they got a nice gym in here. Overlooks everything. Yeah, man, so if you're gonna work out, you got a place to come. Here it goes. Then you go over here and they got the weight room. That's cardio over there. Over here, they got the weights going. Got everything you need. All right, y'all, it's day 2. We didn't spend too much time here, but it was an amazing place. The Grand Palladium is a really nice resort. It has everything you need. Pools are amazing. I took some drone shots so y'all can see how big it is. Service is A1. Y'all gotta come check it out, man. Come check it out. I'm on this cart. They're about to take me to go get the luggage. The girls are having breakfast real quick, so I'm sure you'll see them in a second. But yeah, I just wanted to tune in and let y'all know this is a great place to come. Great place to bring the family. They have something for everybody. They have all the shows. They have casinos for the older people. You know, they like to gamble and pull them slots. They got pools. They got live entertainment. They got karaoke. They got everything. So yeah, man, Grand Palladium, check it out. I would say it's a go. All right, y'all, see you soon. Club here. It's the mini club. They have trampoline, pool, activities. Kids are watching stuff over there.
The resort area. They have.
All right, you guys, hope you liked our video. Thanks for tuning in.
And we will catch you at the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe at the end of this video. And we will see you at the next one. All right, bye.